हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू PSBI। मैं अवनीश आज लेकर के आया हूँ क्लास 6 का साइंस चैप्टर। हमारा होगा सेपरेशन ऑफ सब्सटेंसेज और आज हमारा इसका डे 12 होगा। लास्ट क्लास में हमने कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर किए थे, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, और कुछ शॉर्ट आंसर किया था, शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। आज हम करने वाले हैं आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। यहाँ पे है, ठीक है, इसको आज हम करेंगे। चलिए, पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा। पहला क्वेश्चन है, why do we need to separate a mixture into its components? Give an example. तो लिखिए, we need to separate we need to separate mixtures we need to separate mixtures to obtain useful to obtain useful components, comma, remove undesirable components, comma, or purify a substances, purify a substances, full stop। एग्जाम्पल में लिखिए, सेपरेटिंग टी, क्या लिखिएगा, सेपरेटिंग टी separating tea leaves from brewed tea to get, देखिए, tea to get a clear drink, a clear drink, ठीक है। दूसरा लिखिए, how would you obtain a clear water from the muddy water? लिखिए, clear water can be obtained from muddy water by sedimentation and decantation followed by filtration आगे है, how will you separate a mixture of wheat grains and straw pieces? लिखिए, the mixture can be separated by separated by the mixture can be separated by winnowing, 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 comma, where the lighter, ligster, where the lighter straw, where the lighter straw pieces are carried carried away by wind and the heavier wheat grains fall down. 4 नंबर है, how will you separate a mixture of sand, sugar and pebbles? तो लिखिए this mixture can be separated by hand picking the pebbles hand picking the pebbles, dissolving the sugar in water, filtering the sand from the sugar solution, और लास्ट है उसका पॉइंट, evaporating the water to obtain sugar. लास्ट है, what is a saturated solution? How will you increase the solubility of a substances in water? लिखिए, a saturated solution a saturated solution is one where no more solute can dissolve at a given temperature, full stop. Solubility can be increased by increasing the temperature of the solvent. चलिए हॉट्स थिंक एंड आंसर, ठीक है। Why do you think while preparing lemonade your mother dissolved sugar in little plain water and then adds cold water and ice to it? ठीक है, आंसर इसका लिखिए, sugar dissolves more easily and quickly in a smaller amount of plain water at room temperature or slightly warm, creating a concentrated sugar syrup, full stop. Adding cold water and ice later chills the lemonade without hindering the initial dissolution of sugar. ठीक है, दूसरा क्वेश्चन है हमारा, कि why do you think you see water droplets on the outer surface of a glass containing ice cold water? तो water droplets from due to condensation full stop. The cold surface of the glass cools the water vapor present in the surroundings air, full stop. When the water vapor cools below its dew point, comma, it condenses into liquid water droplets on the outer surface of the glass. ठीक है, रहने देते हैं आज के लिए इतना ही।